Good morning and thank you for joining us for Friday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold prices fell for a second straight session as signs of easing global trade tensions dampened demand for safe haven assets. Markets stay optimistic about further trade deals. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq hit record highs as major technology stocks rose after megacap Alphabet's robust earnings, while the Dow was weighed down by losses in IBM, United Health and Honeywell. BlackRock's Spot Ether ETF has emerged as one of the fastest growing ETFs ever, joining the ranks alongside two other cryptocurrency funds. BlackRock's iShares Ethereum ETF has become the third fastest ETF to hit $10 billion in total assets under management.
The euro-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.
Your trusted choice in online trading.